In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the APA template that I provided you for this homework. So you've opened the APA template. The first thing you want to do is you want to save it with your name and assignment. So you go File, Save As, and we're going to say, I'm just going to change it right here because I'm going to save it in this folder called iTech 4205. I'm going to call it, I'm sorry. You type your last name, your first name, iTech 4205. The semester, which is spring, in our case, it's spring 2021, and assignment 2. So you save it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to double click in the header section, and you want to change the title of your paper. Notice that the title is all caps. So I'm going to change it. I'll say let's privacy. Oops, I'm going to put caps locks. Privacy in the workplace. And I'm going to delete. So, okay, there we go. I deleted so that it came back up. So if you use the template, it'll automatically page the rest of the paper. See? Well, actually, you got to change it over here too. Since you got a different, since you have a different title page and subsequent pages, you have to change it also in this section. So I still got my cap locks on. So privacy in the workplace. And I'm going to press delete so that it brings, okay, so it brings the, so then I scroll back up, double click, full title of my paper. Now here, you're not going to do all caps. You're going to do it just like the example there. So you're going to say, privacy in the workplace. Then you're going to type your name. The date, there's the format for the date according to APA is like this. So April 4, 2021. So that's it. Then you move down to page number 2, and right here you type in your full title of your paper. Now this is not bolded. Many people try to bold it, but you're not supposed to bold it. This is the introduction paragraph, but instead of saying introduction, you just put the name of your paper. Okay. So below the title of your paper, you type an introduction to your paper. In this part, you will tell the reader the purpose of your paper and give the reader an idea of what points your paper will cover. You should have about 3 to 5 main points that your paper is going to cover. So right here, you would say something like, maybe you say, people consider privacy to be important. In this paper, I will cover the following. And you continue writing whatever you're going to cover. For main point 1, you're going to say, let's say that main point 1 is going to be privacy expectation. So what you do is you type in privacy expectation. And then below that, you type whatever you're going to say about privacy expectation. Whatever you're going to say about privacy expectation, you type it right there. If you have more than one section on the privacy expectation, you can use a level 2 heading. Keep in mind that if you're going to use a level 2 heading, you have to have at least 2 level 2 headings. APA does not allow you to have just one level 2 heading. A level 2 heading is where you put it on the far left side and you type whatever that section is going to cover. So you will continue writing your paper with your different main points using a level 1 heading like this. And then you should have a reference page, and you type in the word references. Now it's already done for you here, so you don't have to type it. And then references are listed in alphabetical order by the author. So for example, if you have an author named, say Smith, or let's say Adam, comma, P, just say that the person's name is Adam Peter, and then the year that the article was written. I'm just inventing here. Then the title of your paper. Now, the title of your paper, you capitalize the first word, but every other word is not capitalized unless it's a proper name. Okay, that's kind of strange, but that's the rules. And then the name of your journal, you italicize it, and you capitalize the first letter of each word. And if you got a volume number, you identify that in the page numbers. So that's how easy it is to use the template that I provided you. So good luck with the paper.